Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Kleena here, and today I'm going to be taking you through the solution to this question based on algebra, and this is from the Junior Cert Higher Level paper from 2022. So let's get started. Question A tells us that k is equal to 7 and m minus k is equal to 4, so asks us to work out the value of 9k minus 6m. So we're told that k is equal to 7 and we're told that m minus k is equal to 4. So let's work out what m is. So m minus k, which is m minus 7, is equal to 4. So m is equal to 4 plus 7, because when you move it across the equal sign, it changes sign. So m is equal to 11. So 9k, which is 7, minus 6 by 11, because that's m, is equal to. So 9 by 7 is 63. 6 by 11 is 66. So 63 minus 66 is minus 3. So that's our answer to 9k minus 6m, and for this question you're going to get a total of 5 marks. So now in question B, we're factorising. We're asked to factorise fully 8ax minus 14bx plus 4ay minus 7by. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the 8ax next to the 4ay, because I know I can divide those by 4a, and I'm going to put the minus 14bx next to the minus 7by, because I know I can divide them by minus 7b. So I'm going to rewrite it as 8ax plus 4ay, and then I have minus 14bx minus 7by. So now I'm going to take out what's common between the two pairs. So between 8ax and 4ay, I know I can take out 4a. So what am I left with here? If I divide 4a into 8ax, I'm left with 2x. So if I multiply 4a by 2x, I'll get 8ax. And then what am I left with when I divide 4ay by 4a? I'm left with just plus y. So if I multiply 4a by y, I'll get 4ay. So now we need to make sure that we're going to get the same thing in this bracket as this bracket. So we need to get 2x plus y. So what can we take out? I'm going to take out minus 7b. So let's make sure that this works. So minus 7b multiplied by 2x does give us minus 14bx. And minus 7b plus y gives us minus 7by. So now let's make this and this go into the same bracket. So we have 4a minus 7b multiplied by 2x plus y. And that's this bracket and this bracket. And this is our final answer. And for this question, you're going to get a total of 5 marks. In question C, we're asked to write the following as a single fraction in its simplest form. So the first thing we're going to do is find the common denominator. And the common denominator here, we can see is just going to be the two divisors multiplied by each other. So it's going to be 2x plus 1 multiplied by 3x plus 5. And now what we're going to do is multiply what's on top of each fraction by what's not underneath it. So here, if we were to multiply 2 by 3x plus 5, okay, and then minus 3, because we can't forget the minus here, by 2x plus 1. So now let's multiply those in. So we're going to be left with 6x plus 10 when you multiply 2 in here, minus 6x minus 3. And that's all over 2x plus 1, 3x plus 5. So we can see that we have 6x minus 6x, so they cancel each other out. So on the top we're left with 10 minus 3, so that gives us 7. And we'll put that all over 2x plus 1, 3x plus 5. So that's our final answer, so I'm going to put a little box around it. And for this question, you're going to get a total of 10 marks. Now in question D, we're given a quadratic equation, and it's 2x squared minus 7x minus 3 is equal to 0, and we're told to give each answer correct to 2 decimal places. Now just a hint, when you're dealing with quadratic equations, when we're asked to give our answer correct to 2 decimal places, you should automatically know that you're going to need to use the minus b formula. Now, you can find the minus b formula in the algebra section of the log tables, but most of you will probably know it off by heart just from using it to practice in class and at home. So the minus b formula is minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And our equation is 2x squared minus 7x minus 3. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7, and c is equal to minus 3. So now let's fill it out. So minus 7 is plus 7, plus or minus the square root of b squared, that's minus 7 squared, which is 49, minus 4 by 2 by minus 3, all over 2 by a, which is 2 by 2, which is 4. So we have 7 plus or minus, and I'm going to work out what's inside the square root. So that's 49 minus 4 by 2 by minus 3, and that's the root of 73 all over 4. X is equal to 7 plus square root 73 all over 4. X is equal to 7 minus root 73 all over 4. So let's work these out using the calculator. So first of all, I'm going to find out 7 plus root 73 all over 4. And correct to 2 decimal places, that is 3.89. And now let's find out what the other solution is. So instead of putting it in again, I'm just going to press the back button here and change this plus to a minus. And that's minus 0.386. Correct to 2 decimal places, that's minus 0.39. So these are our two solutions, correct to 2 decimal places. And for these two solutions, you're going to get a total of 5 marks. Okay guys, so that's all for this video. I hope that you found this helpful. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.